Mirror neurons fire when you perform an action and when you watch someone else perform that same action, as if you were doing it yourself. This neural mirroring system is how you understand others, how you learn through observation, how empathy works. It's why watching someone in pain activates your pain circuits, why yawning is contagious, why emotions spread through groups. The discovery was accidental. Italian researchers studying motor neurons in monkeys. A neuron would fire when the monkey reached for food. Expected, but then it fired when the monkey watched a researcher reach for food. Unexpected, the same neuron active during action and observation. Mirror neurons. This changed our understanding of the social brain. You don't just see someone smile, your brain simulates smiling, activates the same neural circuits. This is why faces are so powerful, why you automatically mirror expressions. Your brain is constantly simulating what others are doing. Feeling, experiencing, empathy depends on mirror neurons. When you see someone hurt, your pain matrix activates. You feel a version of their pain. This isn't imagination, it's automatic neural simulation. This is what allows you to understand others' experiences, to care about their suffering, to connect. People with autism often have atypical mirror neuron activity. This may explain some social difficulties, not lack of caring, but reduced automatic simulation of other states. They have to consciously figure out what others are feeling, while most people do it automatically through mirror neurons. But this also means neurotypical people can be wrong about what others feel. You're simulating based on what you would feel, not necessarily what they feel. Your mirror neurons create empathy, but also projection, assuming others experience things as you do. Learning happens through mirror neurons. Watch someone perform a skill, your motor cortex activates. You're practicing internally. This is why watching tutorials helps. Why athletes study game film. Why children learn through imitation. Your brain learns by simulating what you observe. But this also means you learn bad habits through observation. Watch poor technique. Your brain practices poor technique. This is why modeling matters. Who you watch shapes how you act. Your mirror neurons don't distinguish good examples from bad. They just mirror. Your environment affects you through mirror neurons. Spend time with anxious people. Your brain mirrors anxiety. Spend time with calm people. Your brain mirrors calm. This isn't conscious, it's automatic neural synchronization. This is why your social circle affects your mental health. Biology, not just psychology. Emotional contagion operates through mirror neurons. One person's stress spreads through a group. One person's enthusiasm energizes everyone. This is why toxic workplaces feel heavy. Why positive teams perform better. Emotions are neurologically contagious through automatic mirroring. Media affects you through mirror neurons. Violence on screen activates your aggression circuits. Your brain simulates what you watch. This changes you. Subtly, cumulatively. This is why content consumption matters. What you watch, what you read, what you expose yourself to. It's not just information, it's neural training. Your mirror neurons practice what you observe. Choose deliberately. Music activates mirror neurons too. When you hear rhythm, your motor cortex activates, simulating movement. This is why you tap your foot, nod your head. Your brain is joining the movement, even when you're sitting still. This is why music is so social, so synchronizing. Mirror neurons may explain language acquisition. Children learn to speak by watching mouths. Their motor cortex mirrors the movements. This creates internal practice, helps them learn complex sound production without explicit instruction, just observation and simulation. But mirror neurons have a dark side. You mirror violence you witness, trauma you observe, dysfunction you're exposed to. This is secondary trauma. Why therapists can develop symptoms from hearing client stories. Why children of alcoholics often become alcoholics. Neural mirroring of dysfunction. You can use mirror neurons deliberately. Want to develop a quality? Spend time with people who embody it. Your brain will mirror them. Automatically, this is why mentorship works. Why role models matter, not just intellectual learning, neural programming through observation. Visualization works partly through mirror neurons. Imagine performing an action. Your motor cortex activates. You're practicing neurologically. Athletes use this. Mental rehearsal before performance. It works because your brain doesn't fully distinguish imagined from actual action. Social media exploits mirror neurons. You see curated lives. Your brain simulates those experiences, feels inadequate by comparison. This is why social media increases depression, not just jealousy. Neural simulation of others' highlight reels compared to your full reality. Mirror neurons also explain mob behavior. Emotion spread, action spread. Through automatic neural synchronization, one person acts, others mirror. Before conscious thought. This is how peaceful protests become violent, how panic spreads, neural contagion. But mirror neurons also spread positive behaviors. Kindness is contagious. Generosity spreads. One person's courage inspires others. Your actions ripple through neural mirroring, affecting everyone who witnesses them. This is profound. You're constantly influencing others through what you do, what you embody. Understanding mirror neurons changes how you live. You realize you're porous, absorbing what you're exposed to. This makes you more selective about who you spend time with, what you consume, how you act around others. Because everything mirrors, everything spreads neurologically. Your mirror neurons are always active, always learning, always synchronizing with your environment. Use this consciously, curate your inputs, model what you want to become, recognize your influence on others. This is social neuroscience. Apply to daily life, use it wisely,